If you're studying for the INBDE, I highly recommend INBDE Bootcamp, an all-in-one study resource that will help you pass your exam. Use coupon code MENTALDENTAL for 10% off. Hey everyone, Dr. Ryan here, and to keep you up to date this year, here are the latest updates for the INBDE in 2025. First of all, some good news for dental students and professionals preparing for their dental board exams. The Joint Commission on National Dental Examinations, or the JCNDE, has just announced a new pricing bundle for the INBDE and the DL OSCE, designed to help reduce some of the examination costs. Starting January 1st, 2025, candidates can now bundle the INBDE and DL OSCE together for $1,080, which is a substantial savings of $475 compared to purchasing them both separately. This is a great opportunity to save while completing these critical exams for dental licensure. Currently, all licensing boards in the United States use the INBDE to satisfy their written exam requirements, while the DL OSCE is currently accepted in 8 states for partial or full licensure requirements. Those states, if you're curious, are Alaska, Arizona, Colorado, Indiana, Iowa, Kentucky, Oregon, and Washington. This pricing bundle is a great way to save some money while you're advancing your dental career, and if you're planning to take these exams, I would recommend take them soon and take advantage of this offer. We don't know how long the bundle will be around for, hopefully permanently, but we don't know that. So with that said, here are some other updates worth reviewing. Even though these things have been in effect for a few years now, I definitely think it's worth reviewing these updates. First, antibiotic prophylaxis. In 2021, the American Heart Association, or AHA, released a new scientific statement regarding the use of antibiotic prophylaxis, and I'll link that below in the description. Remember, the big takeaway there was clindamycin is no longer recommended for antibiotic prophylaxis for a dental procedure due to the risk of C. diff infection. Amoxicillin orally or ampicillin taken IV are the default choices, but in the case of penicillin allergy, cephalexin, azithromycin, clarithromycin, and doxycycline are all acceptable alternatives. Second is the ASA classification system. In December 2020, the American Society of Anesthesiologists, or ASA, released an amendment to their physical status classification system. Again, I'll link that below. That was used to assess and communicate a patient's pre-anesthesia medical comorbidities. Now, don't worry, my videos in the oral medicine series, for example, already teach using this updated system. So again, no worries there, we're all up to date. Third is dental trauma. So in 2020, the International Association of Dental Traumatology, or IADT, released their updated guidelines for the evaluation and management of traumatic dental injuries. Exam questions definitely reflect those updated guidelines. Again, I'll link that in the description below. Fourth is film radiography. So ever since 2023, the term film is no longer used on the examination to refer to radiographs. So that means that there are no questions on the INBDE related to darkroom or chemical processing. In 2017, the American Academy of Periodontology, or AAP, introduced new periodontal classifications with the staging and the grading system. Since 2020, exam questions reflect this new classification system. Next is blood pressure. So in 2017, once again, the AHA released new information regarding hypertension guidelines. They slightly tweaked the numbers there. So I've been using those guidelines in my videos as well. And by the way, the links for all of this information that I'm talking about can be found in the description below this video. And that's it. No further updates are planned for 2025 at this time, so it should be a great year to study and pass the exam if you haven't already. Future years can definitely bring further difficulty spikes like we saw last year, and it's best to get it done now if you know that this is the path that you want to take. I'm here to guide you every step of the way, and don't forget, join the Mental Dental Academy for exclusive videos that you won't find here, live classes every other week, and personalized support from me. You'll find everything you need there to ace your exam. Thanks again for watching this video. God bless you all, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope you have a great 2025.